Hello everyone, friends, on the Weller canal. Today I will show you how to recover a Gmail account without a phone number and email. To do this, go to any browser and write Google support. Google support. Here we have Google help. Let's go in. From here, select Google account. So we choose here, I'll find it now. Account, account recovery, and select here how to restore a Google account or Gmail. That's it. Next. If, well, you probably won't have anything here, then click post, make a post in the community. That's it. Click start question. So we write our problem here. Write here the email address that needs to be restored. Select a category. Here we click right here. Hello, I have lost access to my phone and want to restore my account. And write your email address here. Here, let's choose a category. Here is an access and recovery account, that is, an account recovery and access. Click next. That's it. Here, select a recovery account. Click next. Click next. Accordingly, we choose a platform. Here, accordingly, click next. Here we select the display name and accordingly click the post. That's it. And after that, you will be contacted, respectively, by a Google representative, yes, with whom you can already continue communication on account recovery by email from the account you logged in. That's all. Weller was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.